Hello, it's time to do some cruising video. The computer's taking over for my foot. As you can see, I have a few codes. I've got a service engine light on, and I also have an ABS light on, and an airbag malfunction. Airbag has never been deployed, but I have replaced the core support, and I guess the core support I replaced it with has a bad sensor. I've got O2 sensors, and I also need a crankshaft position learn, roughly speaking. But everything looks good. I got oil pressure. Things are coming up to temp. And let's go for a ride. Oh yeah, my tachometer is off. It is reading high, but that's okay because that actually means I haven't revved it as much as I thought I did. And for the safety of the motor, because I thought it was revving pretty high, that'll be good. Yep, they're all in front of me, so we'll see if he's an aggressive trailer driver. At least give myself some breathing room. He's pretty aggressive. All right, here we go. Okay. We are moving. I mean, it pulls right on up to the highway, and once you get there, and I'm cruising at speed, I was actually going a little bit faster than I thought, about 10 over the speed limit, and from there, as soon as I gave it enough gas pedal, which is part of the tune, I know that was reprogrammed, to some extent. It's still drive-by cable. Look at those temps. Beautiful. Beautiful. But anyways, I was going about 65, 75, and I gave it some throttle, and I let it downshift into third, and then I wasn't even giving it full, wide open throttle, and it went all the way up from 65 to something like, oh my goodness. All right, I almost became the third car just now to go into the right-hand lane, because as soon as the first car did, the second one went over as if there was like a deer in the road or something. And I am on a road where that happens. So back to the highway, I was cruising along at 65, and I was going up. I was over 80 when I passed that coupe, silver coupe. And it was like nothing. So that makes me pretty happy with this build. It's running quiet now that I got the exhaust all buttoned up. So it doesn't sound like it's ticking anymore, which I thought it was. Beautiful scenery today too. All right, now another clip here. Sorry, my steering wheel's a little bit misaligned. Oh, and look, we're at the same stoplight. Can't believe I'm talking like that. Well, not yet. No fans yet, but here in a second. We'll do that. After one more nice pull. Oh, that was a smooth shift. Smooth shifting. I've noticed once everything is fully heat soaked up to temperature and everything, that I am seeing, with the fans on, I mean, it'll get to about here, and on the highway, fans off and everything, it still wants to climb to like 205. It's most likely just not getting enough air through there. And we cruise on in.